Hello everybody, we are installing this today. English tune. They even give you this, those, some gloves. I ain't gonna tell you, babe. Tell me what you got. I ain't gonna take it, baby. I ain't gonna take it, baby.
Oh, hot. That's bright.
We're cutting that off so we could tuck the harness higher. And then we found an issue. Fix this. Like my foil tape?
Yeah.
It's the best. Well, Adam does that. I just want to show you folks something. Tessa tape. So I'm redoing all the electrical tape. Alright, we're going to do the brake line things maybe today. I'm going to finish doing that, and we're going to put the Feffy gauges in. Feffy gauges. These guys. Yeah, sorry, there's something stuck in my throat. SR is almost done. English tune. Burn it. Next is wrapping it up. Remember to wrap up. Is it like better right there? Wrap it up. Alright, next is we're going to wrap it up with Tessa. What is this? We're going to hyperlapse this so you don't have to watch me for like 20 minutes. So check it out. This Tessa tape is the best. Adam's gonna be doing some cool stuff here in a second, I guess. Alright, so what Adam did is he welded in the seam so water doesn't get in there. This is advanced wire tucking for dummies. Alright, today we got a bunch of stuff done today. Got the wire tuck all set. Put in the auto collect storm thingy. I don't know what to call it, like a harness plate? Yeah, there you go. I redid the whole engine bay with Tessa tape instead of electrical tape, and it looks a lot better. Let's pull that wiring. Hello? So if you wanna, oh come on, sorry. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this, but yeah, see, I don't know if you folks can see that. Everything is Tessa taped and re-loomed, so it looks amazing. Why is this stuck there? Come here. Hello? There we go. So, Tessa taped everything there. That looks good. All we have to do now next is take this off and replace it with the GK Tech tucked line thingy. I'm gonna attempt to polish this and fix the radio. That's another thing. Let's go take a look at that real quick. We did get rid of a lot of wiring from the old... Oh, I put it in the back of the car. Where did I put the center console? Wait, where did I put that thing? It's back there? What the heck? So happens when we get old. A lot cleaner in there. Relocated the boost controller into the HVAC. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. So we're waiting for the chrome valve cover, chrome upper intake manifold, the exhaust manifold I shipped to Chicago to get it ceramic coated clear. Or no, ceramic coated. Ceramic coated. And installed the English tune. And that's pretty much it. Oh, then I'm gonna buy the belt kit. I also redid this in Tussa tape as well. So. Tune in to the next episode of Cars and Such. Oh, so if you know me, I really don't like the stuff, the gauge pillar gauges. So I took it off. Where'd it go? Right here. Sayonara. You could bye-bye. So now I have all this wiring from the previous owner. Look at all this mess here that we have to clean up. Ugh. Alright, so yeah, I don't, dude, this is like really bad. So this one we're gonna keep because this one goes to the controller, loose controller, but I don't know where all these go. Did I fix it yet? Oh, I think this is the power to the other gauges that was connected here. Well, I was doing all this BS. Look what Adam did. We redid this. And we installed the auto collect storm plate. Now it looks good. Really good. So check this out. Look at this. Gone. Wait, where's this go? Oh, this is for this. You pulled that one out, right? So this is the ground, and this is for the, okay, so this is for this. Hey, look at that! Yeah. Perfect, actually. Huh. Look at that. I'm gonna grab it. Yo! This is actually working. This is pretty cool. I'm in the middle of a Counter-Strike game, but anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe as usual. Sorry I've been like not doing my vlogs because I've been really busy. I'm moving back to Chicago soon. Also, yeah, I've got a new editor, so I'm like 5 months of footage behind or something like that. So we're gonna be knocking these out. And thanks again. Hope you like this one. It's kind of progressively getting better, so it's just the footage that I have. But thanks.